hold my fire in the air. Boy, you get for you always try to stare. Want a nigga out, he right over there. Can't come to your hood without found too scared. I know he got racks, I see what he wearing.
Yo, peep the new Type R, guys. She clean. What if I got a Type R? That'd be sick. Do content with. What's up, guys? Back at it again with another video. We're on the highway. We're on the way to get our speakers and stuff in our new radio, Apple CarPlay radio. Type shit. This is sick. For the subs, the Porsche logo. Shout out to Exotic Sounds Miami. They got me right. Alright guys, we just picked up a sub. You already know we about to go crazy. Alright guys, we just pulled up to Advanced Auto Parts. You know, I'm the only nigga that gets to park here. That Challenger go crazy though. Damn. Hey. Low-key should make this a thumbnail. What you guys know about this? You guys don't know about this? What?
From the Ape.
Oh no, I don't. That one's sick.
That's probably my favorite one there. And then I got an unfair stamp.
What?
Yeah, we go.
Is this from like when you were a kid?
Nah, bro, these are new cards.
You collected all this like recently?
Yeah.
How much did you spend on this shit?
Yeah, we don't speak about that.
Yo, what's that Pokemon called? Yeah, so we got the wiring kit, you know, the amp kit. It's for the sub. I'm not gonna lie, this shit right here is pretty clean. Sick. Alright guys, I'm about to get my speakers and radio installed. Alright, so they're about to wire in the radio and all that shit. You know, I don't know nothing about this, so. M440? What's up guys? We at the parts department. Don't mind my sweaty hands. It's hot as fuck. I'm just about to get the cigarette lighter. This shit's broken. This color's sick. Bro, they have mad cars in here. Alright, we just purchased what we needed, guys. And I got a quote for something. My car is missing the rear shelf. Apparently they have an option with sunblinds. But like, look at the price. Sheesh. We got our part. New cigarette lighter. Hopefully it works. Well, I know it's gonna work. I tested the wires. But look at the cars they got out here. Impreza. This is one of those 4 Series. That looks like a G80, but it's not a G80. These are hard. I wish I had a 340 of this generation. What is it? This one's sick too. I think this is the electric one. The i4, whatever it's called. i3, something like that. I don't even know. Don't quote me. Hey. Bro, do you guys see how many cars they have in there? Like, this is a big ass garage. BMW heaven. Bro got the fucking blower hanging out the car. Then these niggas turn. Alright guys, so we got a new cigarette lighter. You know, tighten up the bolts right now. Definitely works though. Hey, it's working. We fixed it. Looks much better too. Hey. Yo guys, look at this. Oh shit. Tough. That's hard. I'm manifesting it right now. I'm gonna get a fucking Rari or Lamb one day. Like, there's no debate. I have to. Or I need a 911. I need some. Yo, look guys, this is the Heat Arena. If none of y'all have never seen. My city. Love my city. Guys, I fucked up. I fudged up. No, I'm playing. But here's a whip. We have it all like taken apart right now. Power wire for the subs and amp. My crusty interior, as you can see. Everything taken apart. Kick panel. Yes, we're wiring it. There's like a engine loom wire down there. I don't know if you can see like the light. That's where the hole is. It's like a water seal plug. So I'm gonna just run it through there. Easy, simple. Goes right to the battery. A little fuse on the positive. And then, you know, I'll ground the amp in the back of the trunk. But yeah. guys, so I got the 7-12. I'm not gonna lie, this shit hits. Hey, I'm gonna fix like the wiring and everything and like tuck it under the carpet, under the seats later. You know we ain't get off the court, gang?
No, we didn't.
You know we ain't get off the court? Really outside. I'm not gonna lie, I wouldn't mind owning, you know, like E92, but I wouldn't want the convertible. I don't know why they're hard. Side by side. Yeah, sick. Sick. You don't want to race? You don't want to race? He's mad at the cat. He's mad at the cat. Yo, what is that? What the fuck was that?
Got a solar panel up there for sure.
What in the world? God.
Feel that? Normal, right?
Yeah. Yo, he got a pedal commander. Oh my God. Oh my.
Cool, bro.
Oh my God. Holy shit. Oh my God. Yo, guys, this car is insane. Yo, Randy, your car goes crazy. Holy shit. Damn, now I want a charger. Gotta love them chargers. Damn, guys. I forgot a charger. Charger goes crazy. I would get one, like a regular one, and just modify it, like add the wide body to it and everything. Like I feel like that would be sick. Yeah, but my coworkers goes crazy. God. What's up, guys? I'm about to get gas. We out here. Oh shoot, is that an X6? I think it's an X6. Damn, sliding. Yeah, but we out here. Got the 11s on my feet. Breads. Bread. About to spend some more bread. You know, only 93. Come on now. I don't know what you guys like, but can't tell me this look hard. Hey, 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 hey. EK. Yo guys, look at the price of gas. Like, what is going on? Someone make it cheaper. Yo, I don't know what that I just spotted, but that shit look hard. I know it's a Beamer too. That might be M2. Sheesh. E36 go crazy. Yo, guys, give me video ideas. What should I do for the next video? I think I'm gonna like clean the interior with like OxyClean or something. Bro, is that an SF90? Oh, I need to be rich.